Closer look at the Corival transport wheel system. It's a gravity type of system, so the idea is to turn the bike over to its right side and it will engage and lock, and you can transport it, and then if you move it to the left, it will disengage and be in this retracted position. The wheel itself I've seen missing completely. It's hard plastic, so if it cracks, it usually cracks in half and is gone. You can see chunks of it missing, which needs to be replaced because it will make it lumpy when it rolls. This is a pin system that it uses to connect to this build piece, and it's got a locking push washer on it. This could be adjusted, so I've seen this be really loose and it just needs to be pushed forward so it's firm. That's held on by this number 4 bolt that is located here, and it has a locking nut. This is probably the most common issue. This is missing or it's seriously loose, which makes this whole piece wobble. The idea is when you move it, this piece will gravity come down and lock it in position, and when it's tilted it releases. It also has a pin that has a locking washer, push washer on it. That also can come loose. So making sure all these pieces are tight and that this thing is aligned with this so this little end doesn't catch is the most important. To get access to this, you have to turn the bike over on its side, and I'll try to do that without making too much commotion. And as you can see, it's right there.